Hello everyone, so make the plaits on the hairs and then pull it upward like this. Follow the same step on the other side, fix the hairs like this. Now after that, join them at the back and repeat the process. Now make the plaits, unfold it and make the flowers. Now fold the hairs on the sides, pull out the hairs on it like this, repeat the process and it's ready. Next, join the hairs on the back, tie it like this. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and fix them by folding it like this. Now make the plaits on the upper section of the hairs as shown in the video. Follow the same step on the other side, make a heart-like shape. Now join the hairs like this and make the plaits like this and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail. Now take small section of the hairs and then rotate it upward like this. Now fold the hairs as shown in the video and make the plaits on the hairs as we are doing here. Fix the hairs on the other side as well and fix them together. Tie them and then take the upper hairs and fold it like this and make a flower in the between and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top. Now take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits. Fix it on the back. Now join the hairs from the between by making the plaited hairs like this. Fix it like this in the between. Watch these steps very carefully how we are tying the hairs. Now join them and make the plaits like this and fix it. Rotate it and fold it from the between and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back and make a ponytail. Divide the hairs on the upward side like this. Now take the hairs from the sides and then make the plaits by joining it from the back. Now after that, we will join the hairs together and fix it by folding it like this as shown in the video. Fix them like this and fold it inside and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then divide the hairs and make the plaits like this. Now join the hairs carefully as shown in the video. Now take the plaited hairs and then pull out the hairs from the between like this. Now after that, fix the hairs by tying them in the between and join the hairs like this and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back or just first make the hairs on the sides like this by making the plaits and then pull out the small section of the hairs from the between of the plaited hairs like this. Fix them as shown in the video. Now join the hairs on the back like this in the small sections, tie them and it's ready. Next, we'll tie the ponytail, divide the hairs into two parts, tie the upper part and then rotate it from the between like this. After rotating it, fix the hairs into each other and make a bow on the top. Now rotate small section of the hairs and make the plaits on the top of the ponytail like this. Fix the hairs carefully as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then make the plaits like this. Follow the same step on the other side and make the plaits on the hairs. After that, fix the hairs together on the back. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then divide it from the between and rotate it. Fold it and rotate the hairs. Now fix it and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the top and then make the plaits like this. Follow the same step for the other side and then we will join the hairs together on the back like this from the sides, tie them and then again repeat the process for a few more times. Fix them together and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs in the front and tie them like this in a heart shape. Now take the hairs in the small sections and repeat the process. Join them one by one like this. Fix the hairs on the back or the downside like this and then fix them like this by folding it backward and it's ready. Next, we will take the hairs as shown in the video and make a ponytail. Now divide them into two parts, divide them from the between and then rotate it. After rotating the hairs, we will join them together like this. Fix them into each other and then tie it on the top. Fix it using a rubber band like this. Now tie the hairs from the between and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and tie all the hairs together. Now divide it from the between and then rotate it like this by folding it upward. Fix it like this, roll it carefully and then fold it and fix it on the top and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.